Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're doing another get ready with me, but it's Thursday, so that means we're getting ready to go line dancing, and I am so excited. I have so much energy. I had like the best workout today, and so I'm just like ready to go for tonight. I'm ready to get boot scooting boogie in. So let's get ready together. And I'm gonna start with prepping my skin really quick, and so I'm gonna use the Olehenriksen Banana Bright Vitamin C serum. This is so good. I've been switching off between my Olehenriksen skincare and my Versed skincare because I just really like both, and sometimes I like to pick. We're going with the Olehenriksen C Rush Brightening Gel Cream. You guys already know that this is a favorite. I wanted to start with like partially doing my hair. I'm gonna wear pigtails tonight, so I don't want my hair to like sit in a bun for too long because I just showered. So I just put my hair up as I showered, but it was already in a braid earlier. I just kind of wanted to get it like out of my face. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do after, I think, is just like curl this front piece so it has like a little twist to it. Ew. My skincare like doesn't taste good. I'm gonna start with my eyes today, and I'm using the Morphe brushes brow pencil in the shade Praline. I can't even explain how much I dislike doing brows. I don't know why. I just like, maybe I just need to go get my brows done and get like a shape. I'm setting them with Morphe. Setting. Crap, here I am again, and I only have one eyeshadow brush. Plouise Base for the eyeshadow. You already know the tea. And yes, I'm applying it with my finger because my normal brush is literally in the studio, and I keep forgetting to go get my brushes, even though I literally went over there and grabbed the eyeshadow palettes that I wanted to use today. So I clearly could have grabbed my brushes. You guys, me and my mom started watching Bridgerton together, and so many people had recommended it to me, but I was kind of like, yeah, whatever, like. And then a bunch of people started telling my mom and I too, and so we sat down one day to watch a movie, and we were like, should we start Bridgerton? And now we're addicted. We already went through an entire season. We're on season 2 now, and it is so good. But a lot of people said that they didn't like season 2, or that they liked season 1 more. I really like season 2. I think I might like season 2 better than I liked season 1. I'm going in with this darker brown shade here, and I'm going to go into my corner with it, just very lightly to add some depth. And then now I'm going to go back in with Earth and blend that out. Then I'm just going in with the nude color here and just kind of blending out the edges so they're not as intense, and it'll help blend the whole look together. Okay, and then now for the major part of the look, I'm taking this Huda Beauty Nude Light palette, and I'm gonna go in with this very light pink shade, and I'm just gonna put that in the corner, the inner corner of the look. I don't know if you can see very well just with the way that the camera's positioned, but this is what it looks like, and I'm obsessed with this look. Okay, I am gonna do my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, eyes for the most part are done. I'm sorry this is such a horrible angle. I'll show you guys when the look is done what it looks like. We're prepping with Milk Hydro Grip Fave Primer, and then I'm going in with the Merit Complexion stick as like kind of my concealer foundation, kind of. I like layer the two, but this is my favorite. It's so good. Then we're gonna go with the Hollywood Flawless Filter over top of it. Just gonna layer a little bit more of the complexion stick. Oh, I was trying to pull the wrong side. On like my cheeks, just because I feel like they could use a little bit more coverage. A Rare Beauty bronzer stick. Woo! I caught that. Okay, and then so since my eyes have a lighter pink on them, I'm gonna go in with Pinky Swear from Morphe x Maddie Ziegler. Like, I love that. I feel like that looks so good. Plus, blush is like the first thing you sweat off. And then for highlight, I'm going with Merit Beauty in Cava. And then to bring the glow down, I'm going in with the Morphe Brightening Pink setting powder that I just spilled all over me. And there's like barely any left. And I'm just gonna set my face with that. Okay, now for powdered bronzer and blush, I'm gonna use the Jaclyn palette and these are the shades Sunkissed and Bronze Moment. And then I'm just setting my face because I finished my complexion. Okay, and then now I'm just taking an angled brush and bringing the pink a little bit under. And now I'm going in with Merit mascara on my lower lashes. Now for my lips, I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill lip liner in Cupcake, the Kylie Cosmetics lip blush in Heaven Sent, and the MAC lip gloss shade Coral of the Wild. There is a hair, I found it. I've been having this hair tickling my chin for like pretty much this whole video, and I couldn't figure out where it was, and I just pulled it off. I knew it was there. I love this lip liner. This lip liner is literally my favorite, and I'm like almost out of it. Okay, then we're going with the Kylie lip blush. Okay, now that I've finished the makeup, I'm gonna like grab my outfit and do the other stuff, but here's the makeup so you can see it in better lighting. Okay, this is the shirt I think I'm gonna wear. Say hi to McKaylee, she's back again, and we're gonna go line dancing. Look at her fit, look how cute.
I try my best.
Oh my god, wait, show them your stomach tap because it's like my favorite thing. Look at how cute that is, you guys.
Look how pretty she is.
Hold on, I'm hoping it'll focus. That's such a phenomenal tattoo. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you guys next video. Bye, beauties.